Dahle Super Shears. Dahle doesn't make a typical scissor. They create a super shear. Like fine cutlery, Dahle Super Shears are made in Germany and machine ground from German Solingen steel. This process ensures the blade maintains a sharp edge and will cut all the way to the tip for fine trimming. To assure a smooth cut, each super shear features screw-fastened blades. For a slower, more precise cut, increase the tension on the screw. If you prefer a more relaxed cut, it's easy to lessen the tension between the blades. For added strength, both handles are injection molded around the steel blade, making them virtually unbreakable and providing a solid gripping surface when cutting thicker, denser material. For comfort, the handles are contoured to gently fit around the natural shape of your fingers. Whether you're making a single cut or using them all day, their curved shape reduces pressure points and fatigue during extended use. Dahle's 10-inch Super Shear is the perfect tool for use on large paper rolls, artist canvas rolls, metal, or packaging materials. And it's backed by a lifetime guarantee. Dahle Super Shears, undeniable quality, guaranteed for life.